less maintenance-y and more of like a stimulatory effect. Again, his right upper cervical, I slide down what we call the mastoid here, and then I just sort of let it feed, and you let your head fall to the right. And actually look to the left a little more. There we go. And we get like a real atlas adjustment. So it's just about feeding through the line of correction, and especially when you're doing a lower segment, that tissue scoop up and through the line of correction. How do you feel?
Good.
Good. Then we'll open up the airways so you can taste turkey better.